Hello friends, today we are taking you inside the incredible Tiger Topia Sriracha Zoo here in Thailand. In this video, I'm going to share our entire first-hand experience, the highs, the thrills and everything you need to know. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end before you plan your own trip here so you don't miss any insider tips. Our adventure actually started the very first moment, the very moment we landed at Don Mueang International Airport. We headed straight to the zoo, and the excitement was real. We couldn't wait to get inside and see all the different animals and birds. Now, a quick tip for early birds. The zoo opens at 9 am. Because we arrived a bit early, we had to wait outside for a short while. Luckily, they have plenty of sitting areas and clean restrooms right outside, so you can easily freshen up and get ready for the day before the gates open. First things first, we had to confirm our online bookings and grab our physical tickets. As you can see on the screen right now, these are the different packages they offer depending on what experiences you want to include. While we waited, we also checked out this exhibit showing the complete history of how Tiger Topia came to be. It's pretty fascinating. And the gates are officially open. Let's head inside. Our very first stop was the goat shed, where we got to meet these absolutely adorable tiny pygmy goats. But right next to them was one of the biggest highlights of the day, the baby tiger cubs. Look at how cute they are. The best part, you can get up close to see them and you can even feed them yourself. Truly an unforgettable experience. Moving along, we caught a glimpse of an elephant playfully dancing. Along with some more goats nearby. After walking just a little further, we stumbled upon a pool teeming with tiny baby crocodiles. Just a few steps ahead of that, the environment got a lot more intense. We found ourselves looking at giant, massive crocodiles resting in and around a huge pool. Crocodile man. After that, we headed over to a unique feeding area where they feed the adult tigers using ropes from above, which shows off their incredible jumping power. And look over here, we even got to see a rare, majestic white lion.
crocodile show இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கு.
crocodile show இங்க தானே தெரியுமா?
இன்னும் ஒரு
We also got to see some pythons and snakes. People can take pictures while holding the pythons. To balance out the adrenaline, we stopped by the hamster exhibit to watch these little guys running around and playing. It was super cute.
இது என்னடா ட்ரெயின் ரேஸ் ஆயிடுறாங்க. நகர பாரு பயந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
no selfie without data.
But then it was time for the main events. First up was the thrilling crocodile show. The handlers here do some absolutely wild stunts that kept us on the edge of our seats. Watch the full crocodile show right now. Link is down in the description. Right after that, we headed over to the action-packed tiger show, which was equally breathtaking and beautifully arranged. We had such a beautiful day exploring Tiger Topia. It was packed with fun, laughs, and a bit of thrill. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed our journey, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for many more travel adventures. See you in the next video.